Here are the stocks that should be on your radar going into the penultimate trading day of the week. Vedanta is first up, where the NCLT has reserved its judgment on the demerger petition. No clarity on when the judgment can be expected. The government has objected to the demerger, citing claims worth over 16,000 crore rupees. Mahindra & Mahindra, along with Manulife, has announced a 50-50 life insurance JV, where both parties will be investing up to 1250 crore rupees in the first 5 years of the JV. In response to this, also watch out for any potential reaction in other life insurance names like HDFC Life, SBI Life and LIC. On to earnings then. Tata Steel's earnings beat was led by the India business. EBITDA per ton was ahead of expectations despite weak prices during the quarter. The European business was also in line with expectations. Cochin Shipyard's numbers were a miss across parameters and expectations from Kotak. Revenue was down 13%. EBITDA was down over 70%. The provisions were up more than 4x from last year, but they are down on a sequential basis. Data Patterns' revenue more than tripled from last year. The EBITDA was also higher, but the margins were hit because of a 61% jump in material costs. Gross margins also halved due to a low margin project this quarter. Also watch out for earnings reactions from IRCTC, Man Infra, GNFC, Afcons Infra, KNR Constructions, Lloyds Metals, among other names. Today is potentially the last earnings heavy day of the season. Stocks like Hero MotoCorp, Eicher Motors, Bharat Dynamics, Voltas, Page Industries, PG Electroplast, NBCC, LG Electronics, NSDL and a whole host of companies will be announcing their results today. Citi believes that HAL's valuations are reasonable for its order backlog, while Nomura is also bullish on the stock for a target of 6,100 rupees a share. Now, Asian Paints' price target has been raised by Jefferies and HSBC, while Citi and Goldman Sachs continue to maintain a sell rating, stating that sustaining this performance will be a challenge in the second half. And SAIL continues to remain in the F&O ban.